Very good morning, students. Today we are moving to the new lesson, that is chapter 3 of our civics political science, that is what is government. We are going to study about the government. We know the our Tamil Nadu state government or central government or CM PM, like that things we know. And who is your CM present, and who will say, and you want to write and send that answer, CM of your state as well as PM of our country. Who are they, you want to write and send as a homework. I will send the homework questions. Okay, in worksheet you will get like that questions. Then we are moving, we can see the blue line letters here. You must have heard the word government. Have you heard the word government? You know what is government? And in news and like that things, we because of this corona, we are seeing like the central government taken this initiative, lockdown and other things, or state government taken some of the initiative like that things. Every day nowadays we are hearing in the news, especially because of corona. And we are going to see, my question is, what is your understanding about government? And in this chapter we will learn about the government is, and the important roles it is playing, the importance of government, and what is government that we are going to study. Then what do you government do, what are the things, what are the duties and functions of the government, what do they decide what to do, how they are making the government, how they are deciding that one, how they are taking the decision, or how they are planning what they want to do, and what is the difference between the different levels types of government, such as monarchies, democracies, and India is a democratic country, and China is a socialist communist country, and some other countries it is monarchy, kingship it is going on, and like that things. What is the difference between this government? And we are going to read one by one. And here it is given some letters. Government sought to protect right of unorganized workers. One of the duties government is doing, it is helping the people, those protecting the right of the unorganized workers. For example, unorganized workers means those who don't have like that any agencies or associations or organization. For example, the tailors or the we know the building workers, like that means manual work, as well as they are working for a temporary time, like that people, they are not coming under the organized worker. The next one, detailed plan to tackle flood soon, say government is saying like that if flood or farming like that things comes, they want to take the decision as early as possible. I want to tackle that one. And last year and before last year you have heard about the flood, what happened in how it happened in Kerala, and how the government taken the quick actions and called up all the police and all the rescue team, even from military, and work together for the protection of the people. Then government fixed price of onion, says no shortage in the market. And who is fixing the price of the things? That is from government, not only onion, all other things. And Supreme Court can have five more judges. Government means in the Supreme Court there should be some benches, it may be 3 members and 5 members like that. So in Supreme Court there should be have five more judges. Already how many judges are there? From that again they want some more judges. Then government for revamping the coal and the power station, they are taking care about the power station, how it should work, and the means the how where we are making the electricity. Over 15,000 villages declared scarcity hit by government. The villages, the 15,000 villages, they are facing the scarcity of different things. It may be drinking water or food or communication, like that different things that declared by government. Means we can see like that here different things, the workers or unorganized workers. Then flood, that is one of the natural calamity. Then the deciding the price of the things in the market. Then we can see the need of the judges in the Supreme Court. Then the power generation and the villages, like that each and every area of the people's life, it is should undertaken by the government. And here we can see one of the these are the newspaper headlines, what is given, what we read, and from that we can understand the duty of the government. Now we want to do this activity. Look at the newspaper headlines above and list the different kinds of the activities that the government is reported to doing in this newspaper headlines. What are the duties? We have read like that 6 different things the government they are saying like that. In that, what all duties taking by activities taken by the government, what are the responsibilities taken by the state government or central government, want to write one by one. And is it this a wide range of activities? What do you think the government is? It means the government is take care of different things we have seen like that, and it is starting from the single person and reaching to the all India. That level means 15,000 villages maximum villages of India is coming together. So is from this what you understood the ranges of the government duty. It is maybe single persons related thing, and it is maybe a group of people or all Indians like that things they are want to take care, government want to take care. Then from this, what is your understanding about government? And we are going to discuss in the thing. Every country needs a government to make decision and get things done. Means in the simplest way we can say like that, the government means the administrative system of the country, administrative system. And in that what we are doing, we are taking the decision, and taken decision that is very easy, and that should be come into the practical way, that should be implemented in the society, that work doing by government. And this can be decided by decisions about where to build roads and schools, or how to reduce the price of the onion when they get too expensive, or way to increase the supply of electricity. Means different aspects of human needs, it is coming education, transportation, then the price of the things in the market area, and about the electricity like that things. Each and every area of human being want to take care by the government. And the government also taken action on the many social issues. For example, it has several programs to help the poor people. Means the poverty, that is another one thing. The people, they are those who are not getting food. For that purpose we know midday meal programs in the schools. And again we can see the midday meal program in government hospitals, that is undertaken by the government. Again because of the poverty, they are trying to encourage the people to get work. For that purpose we can see 100 days job guarantee act is there. Mahatma Gandhi this Gramin Yojana act means the giving the employment for 100 days, that is compulsory for each and every area, and they are getting 200 and above per day wage, and with the sum of means the timing also it is very less. And we can see that one that is another one idea of the government to protect the poor people. Like that many programs are there to protect the poor people. And ration shops, we know in ration shops we are getting free rice or 1 rupee 2 rupee rice, like that according to your ration card. Like that different programs are there to help the poor people. Then it does another important things such as running postal and railway services. Some of the common services like that airports, railway stations, and postal, like that many things are running by the government. Even we can see the government hospital, government schools, government colleges, and other things, everything undertaken by the government. So what we discussed, this is all about the introduction of the government. And what is government? We can see that one, that taking the decision and getting things to be done or implemented in the society according to the need of the people, that is government. And what all things, it may be the work of the road or school, like that many things included in this thing in the as the activity of the government. So we are moving to the next part, that is the government also have the job of protecting the boundaries of the country and peaceful relation with other countries. Another one duty of the government, that is keeping the peace and order in the society, maintain peace and order in the society, as well as they want to protect the boundaries of the country. Now we know last week and before last week we was hearing like that China was coming and attacking India, and India was trying to protect our boundaries, like that our military people, they was working for that. So that is the another one duty of the government, keep our boundaries to be safe and maintaining peace in the country. Then and it is responsible for ensuring that all its citizens have enough to eat and have good health facilities. Means the food want to reach to the people. That's why we are having ration shops as well as the health facilities. Primary health centers, taluk hospital, jilla hospitals are there. It is giving the free service to the people, especially here in Tamil Nadu. Free rice, free medical facilities, everything it is free. And in other states it may be 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and that much they are taking. Even in ration shops they are taking that much. So that is the another one duty of the government. When there are natural disasters like a tsunami, earthquake, like that things, that is the government want to organize the activity, all the aid and assistance for the affected people. If it is flood or earthquake, want to save maximum people's life, as well as want to give food and medical aids and other things to the people, those who are affected in that because of that earthquake or flood or tsunami. Then another one, if there is a disrupt, or if someone has committed to crime, you find people in the court also the part of the government. Then if somebody is doing something wrong, then that is the duty of the government. Means with the help of judges or court, they are government is solving the problem. So we discuss many aspects. Again, some of the aspects are there. We will continue in next video.